Did you know that some snakes can literally see heat? It's true. Certain species, like pit vipers, boas, and pythons, have specialized organs called pit organs located between their eyes and nostrils. These incredible adaptations allow them to detect infrared radiation, which is essentially heat emitted by warm-blooded animals. Imagine being able to sense a mouse scurrying around in the dark just by the warmth of its body. This ability gives these snakes a significant advantage when hunting at night. They can strike with pinpoint accuracy, even in complete darkness. What's even more fascinating is how these pit organs work. They contain a membrane that can detect temperature differences as small as 0.003 degrees Celsius. That's like feeling the warmth of a body from several feet away. This infrared vision isn't just for hunting. It also helps snakes regulate their own body temperature.